welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you all my go-to hairstyle that I wear for work when I'm not protective styling. So I am in the military, so we have to have our hair up, and for those who can't necessarily wear your hair back in a bun, this is a perfect hairstyle. So all you need for this look is a wide tooth comb, a rat tail comb, some bobby pins, little clips for sections, and I'll be using honey and ginger flexible hold. My hair is already stretched, so I'm just going to do my part. The way I do it is do a curved part up front for the top half, starting at the middle of the head and making kind of like a C curve. And you'll do that whichever way you want the bigger part of the braid to go. And then starting at the top again, for the back half, I'm just gonna do a part straight back. You can also use some type of mousse for this too, but since my hair is already nice and stretched, I wanna keep it that way, and putting mousse on it, since it's mainly water-based, will curl back up your hair. So I'm gonna use this edge gel along my part. Then I'm going to take a bristle brush and just work that gel down into the hair. Alright, now you're ready to braid. When doing this braid, you want to do it as close to your hairline as possible. I'm gonna let this part play through because I know some of you said that you wanted more practice on how to braid to the scalp. So hopefully me doing this in real time helps you guys out with that. There are a few sections in my hair that I put too much gel in, that one area. So this is the first time that I'm using this product, and as you can see, it's a very sticky gel, and nothing's wrong with that, but I didn't do a great job of dispersing it out into my hair. So instead of it being like nice and even, you can kind of see the obvious spots of where I placed it. So I had to go back in later and kind of smooth out those areas. So just keep that in mind when you're choosing the gel that you want to use for this style. When doing this hairstyle, detangling is half the battle. That makes it so much more simple and easy to get these braids in. Now y'all watch this. This is a hard change. Just keep watching. I put so much of this gel on one portion of my hair. I really should have just took it off at that moment, but I kept going. So this is why I'm here, so I can tell you what to do and what not to do. There it is. Oh my gosh. the end of the braid, I'm just going to condition it a little bit with some leave-in and then seal that in with some oil and use my bobby pins to tuck it on the opposite side. I'll just wrap my hair up with a scarf to lay it all down and then finish getting ready for work. And then do the same for bed.
That's all to it, ladies. Thank y'all so much for watching. This style is super versatile too. I wear it as my go-to everyday style for work, but I also like to do this style when I'm going out to nice occasions or when I'm going to those hot summer events. Don't forget to tell me what you think in the comments. Make sure you share this, like, and subscribe. See y'all next week.